Maths Grade 5. Topic 1. Numbers. Long multiplication. 96 times 32. Step 1. Multiply by the ones place. That is, we have to do 96 times 2. The answer is 192. Step 2. Put a 0 to hold the ones place. That is, under the 2 we have to put a 0. Step 3. Multiply by the tens place. That is, now we have to do 96 times 3. The answer is 288. However, since we have put a 0 before, here the answer will be 2880. Step 4. Add the numbers. 192 plus 2880, and the answer is 3072. Topic 2. Numbers. Square numbers. When you multiply a whole number by itself, the resulting product, that is, the answer, is called a square numbers. Let us read the first box. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. Let us read the second box. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. 9 times 9, 81. 10 times 10, 100. So here the answer are the square numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100 are the square numbers. Let us read the last box. Example. Write down the square numbers between 20 and 70. Here the answer is 25, 36, 49, and 64. Topic 3. Numbers. Long division. Here we have 5 rows. Donc nous avons 5 rangs. The first row is divide. The second row, multiply. The third row, subtract. The next one is bring down. And the last one is repeat or find the remainder. Let us read the first row. Divide. Dividing 7 tenths by 3, we get 2 tenths and some extra. So here, since we don't have number 7 in table 3, we have to take number 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. This is why here the answer is 2. Let us read the second row. Multiply. 3 times 2 tenths equals 60 tenths. The third row. Subtract. 7 minus 6, the answer is 1. The next row. Bring down. We have to bring down number 4. It becomes 14. And the last row is repeat or find the remainder. We have to see if we have number 14 in table 3. No, we don't have number 14. So we take number 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. So here, next to number 2, we have to write 4. The answer becomes 24. And then 14 minus 12, the remainder is 2. Topic 4. Geometry. Symmetry. Symmetry is a dotted line. The line drawn divides the figure into two identical parts. Here, as we can see, we have different shapes. We have a star, triangle, kite, square, and so on. For example, a square has 4 lines of symmetry, whereas a kite has only 1 line of symmetry. Topic 5. Shapes triangle. We have 4 pictures of triangle. The first and the second pictures are isosceles triangle. 2 sides equal and 2 angles equal. For example, the second triangle, we have 2 sides where it is 10 cm and 2 angles where it is 55 degrees. These are isosceles triangle. The third and the last picture are equilateral triangle. 3 sides equal and 3 angles equal. For example, in the last picture, we have the 3 sides where it is 8 cm and the 3 angles where we have 60 degrees. This is equilateral triangle. Topic 6. Shapes triangle and square. The first picture is a right angle triangle. A triangle with a right angle where we have 90 degrees. And the second picture is a square, 4 sides equal. Topic 7. Shapes rectangle, quadrilateral, and parallelogram. We have 3 pictures. 2 of them are rectangles. Rectangle is where we have 2 pairs of equal sides. For example, we have the second picture where 2 sides are 4 cm and another pair of equal sides is 5 cm. Parallelogram. It is a shape where we have 2 pairs of equal sides and 2 pairs of equal angles. Let us read the last box. Quadrilateral. Any shape that has 4 sides and 4 angles. For example, rectangle, parallelogram. Topic 8. Shapes, kite, and pentagon. The first picture is a kite. 2 pairs of equal sides and 1 pair of equal angles. The second shape is a pentagon. 5 sides and 5 angles. Topic 9. Average. In order to have average, we must first add all the elements and then we take the sum of all elements, we divide it by the total number of elements. Let us see an example. Example. Find the average of 140, 184, 162 and 150. The answer is, first we must do addition. 140 plus 184 plus 162 plus 150. And then we must divide it by the total number of elements. Here the total number of elements is 4 because we have 4 numbers. The answer for addition is 636. We take 636 and we divide it by 4. The answer is 150. 59. This is the answer for average. Topic 10. Descending order and ascending order. Let us see the first picture. Ascending order. Smallest to largest. For example, we start by 12 and then 20, 38 and 44. Let us see the second picture. Descending order. Largest to smallest. For example, we start by 4 and then 3 and then number 2 and 1. This is descending order.